New to Japan? You'll want a Suica card. It makes trains, shopping, and even snacks super easy. Buy one at a JR ticket machine. Tap English. Tap Purchase New Suica. There are two types of Suica cards: name inscribed Suica and blank one. If you're a short-term visitor and don't plan to load a lot of money, the blank one is totally fine. You can choose from 1,000 to 10,000 yen. Just remember, 500 yen is a deposit. In this video, I am buying a 1,000 yen Suica. And finally, insert 1,000 yen. That's it. Your Suica card is now issued and ready to go. Just tap at the gate. No tickets, no stress.
Please top up.
Oops, that sound means your Suica is out of balance. You can't exit if you don't have enough money. Don't worry, you just need to recharge. First, tap English on the screen. Next, select Charge. Now, place your Suica on the card reader. Choose how much to charge. You can charge just the amount you're missing. In this case, 500 yen. Insert the cash. Credit cards are not accepted. That's it. Your Suica is ready to go. Some machines ask you to insert your card, or reader shapes and screens may vary. But the process is always the same. Just follow the instructions. That's it. Your Suica is ready to go. Now that your card's ready, let's see how easy it is to use at 7-Eleven. First, place your items at the counter and wait while the cashier scans and registers them. Then look to the touch screen on the left side of the register. Tap Transportation IC card. It's in the bottom right corner. Now hold your Suica card over the reader until it beeps. That's it. Super fast, super easy. Touchscreen 7-Elevens make everything simple. No Japanese, no worries at all. Suica works almost everywhere. Trains, stores, and more. Like and subscribe for more tips on getting around Japan.